Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important for our health, iron. Iron is essential for our bodies to function optimally, yet many of us don't get enough of it in our diets. If you're feeling fatigued or low on energy, it might be time to check your iron levels. But don't worry, we've got you covered with our top 10 iron-rich foods that will help you say goodbye to fatigue and boost your energy naturally. 1. Spinach. This leafy green is packed with iron and versatile enough to be added to salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes. 2. Lentils. These legumes are not only rich in iron but also a great source of protein and fiber, making them a perfect addition to any meal. 3. Chickpeas. Whether roasted for a crunchy snack or blended into a creamy hummus, chickpeas are a delicious way to up your iron intake. 4. Tofu. A staple in vegetarian and vegan diets, tofu is not only a good source of iron but also a versatile ingredient that can be used in various dishes. 5. Quinoa. This ancient grain is not only high in iron but also gluten-free and packed with protein, making it a superfood for boosting energy. 6. Pumpkin seeds. These crunchy seeds are not only delicious but also a fantastic source of iron, magnesium, and zinc, essential for overall health and energy production. 7. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate is not only a treat for your taste buds but also a surprisingly good source of iron. 8. Beef. For all the meat lovers out there, lean beef is an excellent source of heme iron, which is more easily absorbed by the body compared to non-heme iron found in plant-based foods. 9. Oysters. If you enjoy seafood, oysters are an excellent choice as they are loaded with iron and other essential nutrients like zinc and vitamin B12. 10. Fortified cereals. Many cereals are fortified with iron, making them a convenient and tasty way to boost your iron intake, especially for breakfast. So, there you have it, our top 10 iron-rich foods to say goodbye to fatigue and hello to boundless energy. Remember to incorporate these foods into your diet regularly to keep your iron levels in check and your energy levels soaring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthy and energetic life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.